Which is faster, an electric mountain bike or a twin-engined Evo racing kart? We're going to find out today. So we're at Rye House Karting Raceway today, and this is their twin-engined 160cc Evo kart. It's low, it's fast, and it handles like it's on rails. And this is my homemade electric mountain bike which I built in my shed. This thing is designed for going down off-road trails. It's got off-road tyres, a high centre of gravity. However, it does have fitted the fastest off-the-shelf mid-drive electric conversion you can buy in the world. So which one is going to be faster today? I genuinely have no idea. I've got no confidence that I can carry much speed around the bends on this bike, but it is pretty darn quick. But then so is that go-kart, and it does go around bends well, and it's designed to do that. So I say we get suited up and we send the go-kart out for a base time, because they've got digital timing at this track, and we get a base time to see if the mountain bike can beat it. Let's go. Let's go, high speed band, full power, yeah! Brake, 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 brake. Whoa! That was well good. I can't see me times. What does that say? What's that time say up on the board, Lou? 58 point. Oh, that says last lap, so I don't know if that's the best lap time. We just double check that in the office. Actually, because when the last lap, the one where I spun backwards.
Best was 48.7.
Is that? I have no idea what to compare it to. I don't know what I'm going at all.
I'll be honest, we don't really have much to compare it to at the minute because the new layout.
Yeah, it's got. I was like, oh my god, it's quite a bit.
Yeah, we've not run these carts really on that as a proper session. Yeah,
can it be printed?
I can print it off. Yeah,
yeah.
Give me 2 seconds. We're going to do it now.
Oh, it's a tad warm to have this thing done up to me neck. Right, brilliant. Cheers, Sam.
No worries. We'll see you in a bit. All right.
Yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Thanks for that. Right, we have an official base time of 48.7 seconds, and they don't even know if it's quick themselves because the track layout's changed, and I'm probably one of the first to go on it. If you want a chance to win this £9,000 custom DIY 6,000 watt electric mountain bike, I'll tell you exactly how to do that when I come back in from sitting a few lap times. Let's go.
I could do this with these chance, jump in the chain, go G-time. Tell you the boy, you be breeze. Last call for your leave, nah. Step on that go, train, blood never coming that road. Safe, I'm doing biz like go, wait. Step on the train, you're gonna get lit down. Step in the town, you're gonna get lit down. Messing around, you're gonna get lit down. Spin up.
Right guys, it is time to find out whether an electric bike is faster or if the go-kart is faster around this track. I have pretty low confidence right now. That go-kart, despite not being as quick off the line, can carry tremendous speed and g-force, especially after the long straight. Carrying into the bend, you're doing about 50 odd miles an hour, and there's not a chance in the world I'm going to be going anywhere near that speed on a mountain bike with knobbly off-road tyres. This does have one trick up its sleeve. This thing is 6,000 watts, 285 newton meters of torque. It has got insane instant power. I am giving this bike away on raffle. It cost me about £9,000 in parts to build, about a month of planning and a week of labour. It is an absolute work of art and a stroke of genius. This might not be the best place for it, and perhaps we'll take it off-road in the next video. But for now, I think since we've got the opportunity, we're just going to send it and see how this 6,000 watt electric mountain bike does going around Rye House karting circuit. Let's go. Oh, this is so strange. There's no way I can carry the power that the go-kart has through this bend. I don't know the best way to take a line on a mountain bike. It's really weird. I can go straight over the chevrons, right? Bit of cheating, cutting a few corners. So weird getting the gear change. No idea how fast we're going. Whoa, it feels weird going into this bend. Because it's rear suspension, the back's a bit twitchy all over the place. Scared to use the front brakes. This has got really, really good braking power on it. Coming from Maven SRAM 4-piston brakes. It's so hard to get everything down. I'm going to lower the seat a bit, I think. Get the seat down so I can really tuck in. Whoa! Ah, we've done the chain. Full power down the straight. We've killed the Amazon chain. Damn it. That should give us a bit of a baseline anyway. The chain is dead. We killed the chain, Lou. Snapped the chain with a 285 newton meters of torque. At least we could do a sound check now, Lou, against the go-kart. That's what happens when you use a Amazon chain on a 285 newton meter electric mountain bike. Bunny up. The chain is done. We've got the Wimmerman Connex German manufactured expensive chain. This is supposed to be the best chain you can get for the CYC X1 Pro mid-drive motor. I think the only way to settle this debate properly, we line up the go-kart and the e-bike head to head next and find out for real what is faster, a petrol twin-engined Evo kart or a DIY e-bike, one of the best in the world I've built in my garden shed. Okay then, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, front wheels lifting. Oh bollocks, I messed up the gear change. Whoa. Got him off the line, but he's closing in on me. He's got the speed round the bends. I've messed up the gear change. I've totally messed the gear change up. Try and catch him on the straight. Whoa. I think he's done me. He's on the final straight. No. Mate, fair play. You well and truly got me there. We'll try again. Right. Best out of 3. 3, 2, 1, go. Right, that was a much better start. Much better start. Whoa, pedal scrape. Oh, he's trying to take me wide. Yay! Come on! Wow! Incredible, 1 each. You couldn't have made that any closer, could you? That was phenomenal. You couldn't have got any closer, could you? One each. That is a perfect best of 3. I think it's a bit quicker on the straight, but I can't go quick around bends, isn't it? It's the final clincher then. You ready, Sam? 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa. Right behind me. I'm going wide. He's going on the inside. Got in front just about for the moment. Oh, come on. Oh, the chain slipped. Oh, it's a final straight. Shit. Yeah. How are we going to take it? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Let's have a little play. And the e-bike takes it, much to my own surprise. No pressure this time, this is all for fun. There he goes, taking me around the bend. Right in front of me. Got him on the straight. I'm going to go wide. Whoa. Ah, pinched him on the bends. Yeah! Victory donut. Wow, I cannot believe we actually beat the go-kart. Wow, that was a shocker to me. That thing feels so much more like G-force on that top bend. I thought there's no way I'm carrying, and I don't quite carry the speed, do I, on that? It's interesting. That was a total shocker. I really thought...
Really fast on the straight.
Yeah, it really does make up for it. I think that's what made it an actual way more interesting match than I thought, actually, to be honest. Wow, so there you have it then, guys. The e-bike actually takes a win, and that surprises even me, to be quite honest. Mate, thank you so much for that.
No worries, no worries.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, and also if you want to check out Rye House, I'll put the link in the video description. I think you do a ride and drive on Tuesdays, don't you?
Yeah.
And obviously if you're properly into karting, you're probably familiar with Rye House already, I'd imagine.
Yeah, that's fast.
Yeah. That's an off-the-shelf, that's not customised. That is
right.
the fastest mid-drive motor you can get off the shelf. But actually, you can ride it like a normal mountain bike. That was a bit of a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So yeah, thank you so much for that.
No worries.
Yeah, well, I enjoyed that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. And if you want to know what the times were on it, when me and Sam just sent it together, go-kart versus e-bike, Sam officially recorded his times on the lap timing system here at Rye House, and he was getting an average of 48 and 49 second laps from a standstill. That's pretty good going on the standard rental carts. This e-bike did it in 47 seconds pretty much flat. That is quite incredible. And this thing could have gone faster, but this is on raffle and I want to give it to one of you guys without completely wiping out and wrecking it, and it's still a perfect working bike and it's going home with an even better chain on it because of the testing. So I really hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Don't forget, get your entries in for the 6,000 watt CYC Scott Aspect full suspension beast. This thing's insane. It has got full SRAM braking system, the best mid-drive motor you can get on the planet. And this frame set has won Olympic medals and XC Bike of the Year by some mountain biking magazines. It really is a pucker bit of kit, and this is literally a one-off. There's nothing else like this on the planet at this spec. Only weighs about 26 kilograms and it goes on an absolute rocket ship. Hope you enjoyed watching that one, guys, and I will see you in a video soon. We have got an electric go-kart build on the go, so next time we will be back here with some more EV power in an actual go-kart chassis, and we'll see what that can do. Imagine putting together the acceleration of this thing with the handling of a go-kart. It should get quite interesting. See you in the next one, guys.